All right, Meandering McGee's day 5. Hoping for a...
You know what kind of day it is?
It's
It's a
awesome.
great day to be an Appalachian Trail hiker. Wherever I want to. Tell me where to look at.
You can look wherever you want to, but
Right, so way up there. Okay.
okay, it's our day 5. It is also happy birthday to our son Mason.
Also known as Pez, but in my phone he's Perez because my phone does not recognize Pez.
And how old is he today?
He's 27.
He's 27.
Yeah, he's a baby.
Happy birthday, Mason. Love you. So we're off to a good start. My knee feels good this morning. I think Bill said your foot feels good this morning.
Feels good. No pain, still working.
So no pain at the beginning of the day is a good start. We'll see how long that lasts. Should be a relatively short day, hopefully.
Your knee rope.
Yeah, Nero.
About a mile in, but
Yeah, we got some town business and some. Oh, that sounded big. Resupply things we've got to take care of, and mailing boxes ahead. Some logistical things that we have to do when we get to Penmar. And sorry, this is bouncy, but we're walking over rocks. Yeah, walking over rocks, aren't we?
and Penmar is short for Pennsylvania, Maryland.
That's the border. So we'll hit PA today. One state down.
Yeah.
It's the view from High Rock early in the morning. No one else is here, so that's excellent. All right, we're off to finish the hike. The blazes.
So that's our downhill slope. I think we've got about a mile of this, then we'll hit a good walkway into Penmar. But this is very, very rough on the feet. All right, so we have done 5 miles in 2 hours and 15 minutes, and it was brutal terrain. The rocks were really rough,
Yes, it was.
and our reward is we're now walking into Penmar Park. And we will be stopping here to get our resupply box from Hoodie at our 0-day stay. He's full, so we're going to the cottage and another hostel, and we'll be staying there.
Sunflower Cottage.
Sunflower Cottage.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was our goal for the day, and pretty happy with it. Anytime you do less than 2.5 miles an hour, it's pretty good on this trail. So we made it to our hostel, and it is an awesome hostel. Awesome. The lady that runs it is a professional hula hooper, and we're walking down to get us some lunch at the cafe, and we're gonna take pictures of the hostel. My daughter, Marin, would love this house.
So this is the cutest little cafe, the Greenhouse Cafe, and it's in the Fort Ritchie community right at Penn Mar. And so we've stopped to have our lunch here on our, I guess this is a Nero, isn't it?
Everything's separate over there.
Yeah, and across the road, I don't know if it'll zoom in for me. Whoops. Over there is Rocky's Pizza. And we will be having supper there. It's amazing. If you order the calzone, I hope you're very hungry or intend to share. But this has been really good. I recommend it if you're passing through. Right?
It's kind of ritzy, but it's okay.
It's not ritzy. They just serve frou-frou coffee, which
And
he
quinoa.
doesn't understand.
They serve quinoa.
Quinoa salad. I had quinoa salad with
I
my...
didn't have quinoa salad with mine.
No, he had chips. Anyway.
So, related to absolutely nothing, I would just like to share that today is day 5 and I finally had a successful poo this morning. Wow. What a relief.
Oh my God. I have just had my first hot shower since Thursday. And just let me tell you, it was amazing. I scrubbed with all the scrubby things, the shampoos. I probably used lotions that I wasn't supposed to, but I don't really care because they were fabulous. But this little room at the Sunflower Cottage, oh y'all, it's just like, I feel like it's taking me back. I feel like I'm at a friend's house for a sleepover with these cute little beds. Oh my God. It's the sweetest. Oh wait, Bill just had his shower. Was it fabulous?
Unbelievable.
Hot water is a thing of beauty.
Well, I've been a lot longer than 4 days without a shower. That's okay.
We don't want to talk about that. Okay, getting ready to load up our bags for resupply so we can run the box down to the post office. Here's what we got happening. These are our options to choose from. I've got breakfast stuff on the right, snacks after that, lunch items in the middle, and dinner, supper.
Supper, we don't eat dinner.
Hey Grandpa, what's for supper? Whatever's in the bag. But anyway, we'll run, after we load up, we'll repack the boxes and take those down to the post office to send forward. I think we're going to try to send them up to Boiling Springs, Pennsylvania, and then go from there. For the record, today is day 6 and it is raining, so there will be very little video. I'm about to put on my poncho. See you guys later. It's raining again. Yay! Also, I would just like to say that my excuse me. I'd just like to say that my pack felt so much better before I resupplied. Full weight again. Later. Okay. AT Flip-Flop Through Hike 2024 started in Harper's Ferry, and we are finally about to check off our first
Here's a mail that never fails.
Maryland. And goodbye, Maryland. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. All right, you ready to move?
Just roll out.
All right.
Like a donut down the hill. Let's roll.
Okay, so we just came down and down and down and down and down, and now we're Getting ready to go up and up and more up. Let's get it.
It's a hot day.
It is a hot day.
It's a rainy day.
That's all those things.
There's like a train going down a while ago, one of them steam trains.
Oh, so we're about how far did you say from the first
Oh,
shelter?
probably about a mile.
About a mile?
Yeah, maybe less now.
Dude, I think somebody forgot to tell me that is it uphill all the way to Maine?
Yeah. Maine's north. North is uphill.
Okie
But it's,
dokie.
but it's downhill all the way back.
Oh, so we can just like roll.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Ooh, doggy. There you go. That climb out of Pinmar, that's no joke. In case anyone was wondering, it's no joke. And we had our first opportunity for trail magic today. Unfortunately, it was like right after we left the hostel and had already had breakfast, and they weren't set up. They were going to set up, but anyway, we had to pass it by. So hopefully the next people along trail can enjoy it. Later. It is May 15th, and we want to wish a very happy birthday to our daughter-in-love, Caroline.
Sweet Caroline.
Happy birthday, Caroline. Do what?
I gotta get water out front of my feet now.
You feel good?
It's like cold, refreshing water.